Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you what Amazon Creator Connections is and how to enable it step by step, plus how you can earn higher commissions using it. So first, what is Amazon Creator Connections? Creator Connections is a feature inside Amazon Associates that allows you to collaborate directly with brands. The best part is, you can earn extra commission, sometimes 10%, 20%, even up to 50% on top of your normal affiliate earnings. Now let's see how to enable it. First, go to Amazon and log in to your Amazon Associates account. After logging in, go to Account Settings. From there, click on Earnings or the related dashboard section. Once the interface loads, you'll see your main summary page. Now scroll down and look for the Promotions section. Inside Promotions, you will find the Creator Connections option. At first, it may not be active, so click on it and enable or add it. Once you click, the Creator Connections dashboard will open. Here, you will see a lot of campaigns from different brands. There are thousands of campaigns available, and each one offers different commission rates. Some products offer 10%, some 20%, and some even go up to 50% extra commission. You can browse all products here or use the search option to find specific items. You can also sort by commission rate to find the highest paying offers. Now let's look at an example. Suppose there is a product priced at $3,990. Normally, Amazon might give you around 3% affiliate commission. But with Creator Connections, you might get an extra 30% commission. So if you calculate 30% of $3,999, that's about $1,199 extra from just one sale. On top of that, you still get your normal 3% affiliate income. So in total, you could earn around 33% commission from a single sale, which is a huge amount compared to normal affiliate earnings. Without Creator Connections, you would only earn around $119 from that same product, but with it, your total earnings increase massively. Let's take another example. If a product costs around $799, and it offers 10% Creator Connections commission plus 3% normal affiliate commission, you still earn extra compared to normal. Many products have these bonus commissions, but not all. Only selected products offer Creator Connections deals. So make sure to check which products have this feature. That's why Creator Connections is so powerful. It helps you earn much more from the same traffic. So that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.